How to set a time limit for any app on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once inside the settings, scroll down and then you need to head over to screen time right over here. Once you're in this space, move into app limits. Simply toggle on this button right over here. Now click on add limit. From here, you can choose any of the category and select the application in which you want to add the limit as well. Let me click on TikTok. Tap on it and then click on next at the top right corner of the screen. Now choose the hour in which you want to set the app limit. Let me set it to 3 hours. Once you have also set the time, click on add at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the app limit has been added to TikTok as well. Now after 3 hours, you will not be able to use TikTok. It will set the limit. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.